Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the workbook and positioning yourself where the data lives. Press Ctrl plus F or choose Home Find and select to open the Find dialog. This gets you right into searching. In the dialog, type the word you need and choose Options to refine the scope. Make sure to set within to Sheet or Workbook and decide whether to search formulas or values. Once set, you're ready to run the first search and confirm what Excel will match. Now refine how Excel finds the word so you get the right hits. Open Options and consider Match Case if capitalization matters, or match entire cell contents if you want exact cells. Choose Look in to search formulas, values, or comments depending on where the term appears, because formulas can hide text. Click Find All to preview every occurrence and review the list, then click a result to jump to that cell. This prevents accidental edits and speeds corrections. To complete the task, use Replace Ctrl plus H if you need to change the word, but always preview with Find All first so you control changes. If you must replace across sheets, set within to Workbook and hit Replace All only after spot checking a few. If Excel returns no results, check for filters, hidden rows, or alternate spellings and ensure Look in is correct. One key troubleshooting tip: remove filters and unhide rows before searching so you don't miss matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.